All right, hello everyone. This is Zach here. So first of all, once again, welcome to my these live Facebook sections. Just want to do a quick sound check, please. Okay, is my sounds coming okay by typing a one for me? All right, type a one for me if my sound is okay, if my screen is okay, and we are ready to go. Okay, and today market looks like still bullish. Okay, unexpected. I thought that KRC are going to make a pullback at least for 1 2 weeks, but pretty fast. I think in just less than a week now, it seems like market slowly coming back. Okay, hello Roslan, good morning. So while today we got plenty of opportunity, if you have joined my section yesterday, I think we do talk about SKP resources. I'm not sure anyone here actually get SKP resources. Okay, morning Roslan. So if you get SKP resources, congratulations. But before I proceed further, just want to do a quick disclaimer over here. I'm not here to do any buy and sell call. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy this, buy that, or sell this, sell that. Okay, but I just want to share with you my personal opinions or maybe things that I do based on current chart pattern setups. Okay, so everything we do, we look into the current setups. Thing may change. Okay, after live Facebook, so hopefully you understand that. Okay, of course, anything that you do, make sure your own trading plan. Like for example, I definitely have mine. Okay, before I want to do any action, or probably consult. Okay, or a professional. Okay, before we do so. All right. So now we're gonna start with some of the stocks that we're looking into in our Telegram, including yesterday one. Just let me check what stock I looked into yesterday. And sometimes too many stocks. Like for example, this SSF. Okay, actually, I also forgot already, but the setup is very very good. Okay, but I think still got plenty of opportunity. Let's see how it goes. Now, SSF, if not mistaken, they're in furniture industry, if not mistaken, right? So they are doing a nice so-called reaccumulation in this area over here. Nice support. Okay, can anyone share me what is this? Okay, can anyone here share me what is this? Okay, Roslan. Roslan followed me for, I don't know, 2 3 weeks, like Facebook, right? I think you should know this, right? Okay, what is this? Okay, anyone here want to share me what is this? Okay, I think I told about this. Okay, a lot of time. Okay, in my live Facebook section. This is one of very powerful methods. Okay, whenever price moves sideways, you see this, right? Chances for them to goes up or at least try resistance is very very high. I think it must also having that. Okay, IT Max. Okay, not COC, not COC. This is what we call shakeout. Okay. Yes, Ruku. Yes, this is what we call shakeout. Again, very powerful, especially when the stock is in sideways. I think the other day, Rosan, you asked me how to trade in sideways markets. Okay, now this is one of the things that you should really, really learn and recognize. Whenever you see this, like I say, I cannot say guarantee. Again, need to see market. I don't know whether today market bull or bad. But considering everything is still neutral, likely they will retest resistance one. Okay, most of the time. Okay, so well, I think unfortunately, like I said, I miss out actually in how my Telegram I do post out when they have this candle. But after that I just forgot. Maybe too many counters already. I didn't follow. Good area, of course, the S1 area. It do have giving me a chance a day, but I didn't take it. Now at resistance ready. So very close to resistance, not very close, but at resistance right now. So I'm not going to look for any entry because my risk to ratio is just not there yet. Okay. So what I do is that probably later on I'll park my alert maybe somewhere around 30 cents or below, or maybe 29 cents area. So let's say I'm not sure, maybe it hit here, it make a small pullbacks again, and able to get somewhere around here. I think is a good entry able for me to look into. Okay, so again, you don't need to rush. Like I said, plenty of opportunity in the market. Yesterday we talked about DNEX, today Jalan. We talk about SKP resources Jalan. We talk about QES today Jalan. So today I believe still got a lot of opportunity. Okay, so don't rush yourself to enter entry that is not very favorable to you. All right. So there's a quick one for SSF. Okay, definitely going to put my alerts. Going to watch out. Okay. Now let's into some stocks that we looked into yesterday. QES. Okay, is one of them. Actually, QES after my section, I do park SKP resources and QES. I do park to buy, but I think I park a bit low for QES. Okay, SKP resources I do park a little bit higher, so I managed to get that. So okay, nice closing for those that who already enter. I think is good. Nice pullback setup, pullback completed. Okay, you can read that using volume itself. Today going to change R1. Okay, so again can break or cannot, I'm not sure, but one thing for sure is that I think the support is very solid with the pullback complete. Okay, but again, I'm not going to force myself to look for entry. Okay, maybe I'm not sure if let's say they do another pullbacks again. Sometimes it happens. Like for example here, not a nice example. But something like this. Sometimes they do already. You thought okay, pullbacks going to complete and they're going to goes up, right? But sometimes they will retest 2 times before they goes up. Okay, so like for example here, you thought going to goes up, but sometimes they're going to retest another time. Okay, and then it goes up. So I will see whether I got luck or not in this area here. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for my lucks over here. Okay, so sometimes like that. Okay, like I said, capital is limited, but opportunity is plenty right now in the market. So you don't force yourself to look for something that is not favorable. Okay, so there's QES, SKP Resources. Pretty happy today it crossed the R1. Just type a for me if you are in SKP Resources. Yeah, drop a again, but it's okay lah. Still early morning lah. Okay, can anyone here type A for me if you are in SKP Resources together with me? Okay, B if you didn't enter. Okay, B if you, it's okay lah, just sharing only lah. Can I estimate how high it will go up? Refer to history. Now, estimation sometimes is a bit subjective. Okay, I can say that to be frank with you. Yes, normally what I do is that I look into like previous historical chart. Okay, if let's say if any previous resistance area that I should monitor. If new time all-time high, I will look into the candle itself. Whether is there any sign of distribution, like I mentioned about shooting star. Now, if you have watched my so-called live Facebook yesterday together with Mr. JK yesterday, he do talk about market cycle. I think that's very important. Okay, if you are trading in these kind of counters, okay, especially if they go into all-time high, like you need to know that roughly when they will start to change the trend or distribution or any set sign. Okay, so there's one also. But easiest one, if let's say left hand side got historical data, then we can refer to that. Like for example here, now this is a resistance, right? I think yesterday I do talk about that also. Okay, I hope today they can cross R1 successfully. Once they cross R1, so next one will be somewhere around this R2 area lah. Okay, so somewhere around this area also we can watch out for. Okay, so this is how you're going to use the left hand side as your guide. Okay, but let's see today can cross or not lah. Currently still small profit lah, not much mid also. Only like I think 5% plus minus. Okay, if you think that one day 5% plus is okay, you lock a bit profit first lah. But for me, I will see whether today can cross successfully or not. Okay, I'm willing to take the risk that I have right now. Okay, to see whether I can go further from here. Okay, Ruku say they can comment on Foundpack and Powerbell. Sure, I will do that. Okay, let me just probably finish up some of the stocks that I have. Okay, then we're going to look into that. Okay, other counters that we are looking into, MTech. MTech I still haven't entered yet because yesterday I go for SKP Resources already. So today, but I do continue watch out. Okay, I do continue watch out. Okay, so like I say, part your alerts. Okay, probably 1.4 area. Cross up high volume, that is your, not to say signal, there's your chance to watch out closely. Okay, again, if you are here with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out, okay? If you think that my daily section here is helpful for you, help me to share this out, please, okay? Help me to click the like buttons to support me. All right, so hopefully we'll have a continuation of bull market until end of the year. Okay, so MTech, yes, sell still solid. Okay, I think it's still there. Okay, if you ask me what happened right now, I don't really can give a comment because everything's still the same. Okay, everything's still the same. Okay, now the other one is CloudPoint. Okay, so far EMCC is the one that's pretty disappointing. But anyway, I already troubled already. No point. So, okay, CloudPoint also same for me. They are doing a nice pullback. Volume yesterday is nice for me. Abba, increasing volume, but the candle is a bit weak overall. But so far, support for me is still solid. Okay, so yeah. I personally already in the trades, okay, for CloudPoint. Okay, now the other one, Wengtel, finally is Jalan. I hope we continue Jalan today because this one I hold damn long, okay, for 3 months. I believe that's okay. Well, I will see whether it cross this line or not. Okay, for those that who are holding together with me, I know sometimes some of you probably tahan already. You can lock some profit. Okay, now I think easily got 10%. Just now I checked, I think got 10%. Okay, just I entered 330 area so now drop a little bit so you all check like let's say 360 355 if you think it's good, lock a bit profit first. Okay, take out some money, then we go for other trades. Okay, now HE Group also 2 days already pullbacks with a low volume. Overall, I think still pretty healthy for me. I don't think, oh, started to jalan again. But this one I already take half profit lah. This one I take half profits lah. So well, let's see how it goes. I hope it can cross R1 successfully going into the R2 next. Okay. All right. So any other stocks that I missed out? Opstar. Okay, Opstar also slightly a bit disappointing with the gaps. Okay, but recently got a lot of stock they actually closed the gaps. So I think this one got chance also, like like Tata closed the gaps, RG Tech closed the gap. Okay, RG Tech also I can watch out. Gap down, but yesterday make a strong closing. Okay, but again, this is how market works. Sometimes operators try to do something to wash you out. Okay, so sometimes this I can avoid. But overall, we try to make money. That's it. Okay, overall, we try to make money. That's it. Okay, so while I think this one still got a chance. Okay, yeah, Opstar still actually hold both gaps. Okay, one of the things that the reasons why I'm still holding. That's why the other day I choose exit RG Tech. I hold Opstar. Okay, but RG Tech, like I said, I'm surprised. They close the gaps. Okay, they close the gaps. And the one is okay for me. All right, but again, I'm not going to rush myself for this. If this few day hold here, I think it's good. Okay. D next, I think no need to explain Wong D next. If you got it, congratulations. Unfortunately, I didn't. Okay, I chose for other stuff, but the sub is still good. Okay, like I said, gaps here is very crucial. You will know. Okay, this one it reversed today up. I'm not doing any backup, but I think this one got chance to win further one. Okay, Theta also, I think yesterday they tried to close back up the gaps. Okay, now that's why if you understand gaps, all this kind of small thing, right? Actually, very helpful one. You understand how to play along with gaps, combination a little bit of volume, then you know roughly is a operator still in or not, any area you should watch out, or any sign that you should take notice. Okay, so I think Theta still worth to look into it. Theta, RG Tech, even Opstar, like Wong said, they do a gap down, yes, but the main gaps support they are still there. Okay, a bit similar Hub Sing lah. That's why Hub Sing still went up further. Okay, sometimes this kind of boring stock keep going up one. Okay, I like previously I think like High O a few years ago, and the other one is Zulian, right? All this kind of boring counter sometimes goes up one. Like recently also had MPHB Capital also doing the same things. So yeah, here. Okay, but the problem is this kind of counters, but sometimes you don't know, you need to hold how long. Okay, this one is pretty fast. Okay, but like previously MPHB kept that hold before 3 months that jalan one. Okay, really like tahan the exit. Then this year only they started to move. Okay, yeah, there's few counters. Okay, yesterday also we do talk about Ocean Cash. Okay, I think I covered some of the stock we talked about in UMC. Okay, UMC also. Actually, also yesterday I wanted to enter one UMC. Let's look into how is it today. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Ocean Cash I didn't follow lah. After yesterday's sections, right, I focused SKP resources and QES. Then after that, afternoon actually, you can notice a bit quiet lah because I was outside for meeting. Okay, Ocean Cash good. If you ask me, this is good. Okay, this one, yeah, I going to park into my alerts. 0.36 probably. Okay, let's see lah. Next week, if let's say 0.36, sometimes it goes up, drop here, sideways lagi, touch the 20 MA again before it goes. Okay. Rose one say that Nvidia. Okay, sorry, one because my chart over here currently cover Bursa lah. So probably Nvidia you can ask XIFU ER tonight. But I'll look into PPHB. Okay, I'll look into PPHB. High volume due to fund manager. Can we confirm with MCDX? Okay, just a quick questions again. Anyone here using MCDX? I know it's a very popular tool, and some actually from this Homely chart, right? Anyone here using MCDX? Yes, type 1 lah. Yes, type 1. It's okay lah. Don't need malu. Okay. Again, like I say, I'm not trying to say anything, but each of these indicator, including the one I'm using, okay, there's a strength and weakness. Okay, so every time when you use any indicators, okay, make sure first of all you understand how the indicator works. What is the so-called strength and weakness? Okay, and in what condition this so-called indicator doesn't work. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, like for example, if you notice, I always got few strategy, okay, that I'm using to trade the market. First of all, my favorite is pullback law. Okay, now second one, shakeout. Okay, COC. Okay, this one very rare lah. Pocket pivot. Emax got pocket pivots. Okay, so this is a few strategy or so-called the indicator setup I'm using. Okay, now the reason why, because not every condition it works. Okay, for example, if the trend is not uptrend, you cannot use pullback because there's no pullback. Sideways no pullback one. Okay, sideways we use shakeout. All right. So if let's say it's doing sideways market, I'm not going to use COC because sideways market no COC, no need to look into it. Trending market, pullback market, yes, there's COC. Okay. So uptrend market, no pocket pivot one. Okay, uptrend market is only happen during sideways market, pocket pivots. Okay, so there's reasons why I have few strategy in place, and then I understand okay how it works. Okay, then in this condition, what should I follow? What should I not follow? Okay, agree type A. Okay, if you agree with this type A. Okay, now speaking about MCDX percent, I didn't use it. So I don't want to comment whether it's can we confirm with fund manager or not. Okay, but if you really look into the indicator itself, right, actually it's very simple. Price up, institution money up. Price down, institution money down. Okay, so I'm not sure whether that one actually reflect to really, the so-called, the hot money. Sometimes they say hot money, institutional money. I'm not sure whether they really can trace that or not. Okay, because for what I look into is that price up, the things up. Okay, price down, it down. Okay, or maybe you can check like gap down also, they suddenly one day they disappear one. So my question is can this kind of so-called institutional money or hot money disappear a day or not? Okay, so for me, of course, my answer is no. Okay, so hopefully I answered that questions. Okay, so okay, now move on to the next one. I think yesterday, yeah, Ocean Cash. Okay, the other one is UMC lah. So next week still got plenty of counters to look into. Oh, UMC still good. Today drop. Okay, today drop, but let's see until 4 p.m. Okay, today I got a few counters to look into. Okay, let's see until 4 p.m. Okay, if 4 p.m. volume remains low, I think I'm gonna try a bit. Okay, so that's just now I said I want to try what already in the group. Yeah, this is the problem. Sometimes I got too many stock until I forgot. Okay, just now I say one stocks in SFP. Okay, SFP tag. Okay, there's good setup also. UMC good setup also. I think just now Zantat and Panda. Okay, Zantat and Panda. Okay, SSF yes, but SSF I wait for them to drop to support first. Okay, but this one is support. Okay, this one and SFP tag is as support. Okay, let's try again. Maybe it moved already. Okay, I don't know. I haven't parked yet. Okay, belum lagi. Okay, belum lagi. So it's very close to 20 MA. It's very close to my S1. Okay, SSF yes, but far away from support, far away from S1. So probably the one I'll wait for a little while. Okay, so two, I will focus Zantat. Okay, let's do Zantat and Panda. These two also I forgot already to follow. Sometimes too many counters. Okay, not too bad. Okay, this one still can monitor, but I think I prefer UMC and SFP tech first. The other one is Panda, right? Panda also. Okay, not bad too, but I think I prefer UMC and SFP tech more. Okay, maybe I go for SFP tech. Okay, SFP tech. Because, okay, let's look into SFP tech. Actually, what they do, I don't know one. Sometimes when you trade the market, you don't know what they do one. Okay, S&P Tech Technology, okay. They are in metal fabrication and CNC, machine and mechanical assembly services. Okay, metal cutting, bending, and welding. It's a bit similar to Wangtel, right? If I'm not mistaken. Okay, who is their peers? CEKD, Coraza, Dufu, High Tech, HPMT. Okay, So all these few oh yeah, Wangtel also one of their peers. Okay, UWC also okay. Let's look into Coraza. Coraza cantik juga. Yesterday got a hammer. Okay, looks like whole well. But I will focus again for SFP tech. Maybe Wangtel move, you will move. Okay, I'm not sure. CEKD, how about CEKD? Oh shit, this guy also good. This guy also good. Okay, can anyone here tell me what do you see from here? Wong, I'm not sure you're still here or not. You can see any setup, two setup lah, two setup you can spot very easily one from CEKD. But yeah, a bit close to the resistance. Okay, Ruku or maybe Roslan. You can spot any setup from here. Two setup, just like I mentioned, four setup, right? We got pullback lah, COC lah, shakeout lah, pocket pivot lah, anything that you can spot from here. Cannot. Okay lah. So here, resistance, right? Okay, here support, right? Okay. Tatao lah, Zach. Okay, here we got shakeout. Okay, here we got some small shakeout. Okay, here is the pocket pivot. Okay, like IT Max. Okay, yesterday got pocket pivot also with shakeout. Okay, and crossing. Okay, and crossing. So, well, I think CEKD can watch out. Okay, CEKD can watch out. Okay, so now you know how I use setups, right, to look for my stocks. Okay, so let's do into IT Max. Okay, how is IT Max today? Okay, not very strong movement, but again, we are still in the very first hour here. Okay, so if you notice here, shakeout, pocket pivot. Okay, shakeout, pocket pivot, and they are trying to cross the resistance. All right. So yeah, okay, good. At least we got something today. Okay. Okay. Now just let me know any stock you want me to look into before I go into my pullback alerts. Okay. Let's start with Farmpack. FP Group. Oh, this one also quite nice for. Really got lots of stock nowadays. This one also very nice. This one also very nice, to be frank. High volume reversal. High volume reversal. Rostan still MSM and capital A. Okay. I can look into that. Okay. High volume reversal pullback. Okay, easy. Okay, easy. This is QES style. Okay, so again, you need to choose you want QES or any, but overall, I think it's still chantic. If you ask me, it's still chantic. Okay. So yeah, I put Farmpack into my watch list first. If I miss out UMC SRP tag, I don't know. Maybe it can come here. Okay. Powerwell. Well, one thing is that the resistance is a bit strong. Okay. Now, of course, uptrending right now, no doubt. But here got one shooting star. Here got one selling bar. So probably you expect some sideway. Okay, probably expect some sideway. Okay, for Powerwell. All right. So again, monitor closely on your S2. Okay, because this is like a sideway after the long period of uptrend. If let's say break below S2 or maybe the 40 MA, probably you need to watch out. Okay, for Powerwell. So okay, PPHB. Let's turn to PPHB. This one did pullback. Okay, this one is deep pullbacks. Okay, we got a very strong trend. This one is like a bit of change of behavior to push up. Make a deep pullbacks. Volume is increasing. Okay, I don't want to say it's a distribution yet because I don't see any weaknesses at the top at this moment. But still a bit okay. I'm not sure whether I think one is asking, right? I'm not sure one you're looking for entry exit. Okay, but if you're looking for entry, this is a good zone to focus. However, there are still no sign of pullback completes. So which means that you enter now is low risk, but sometimes it can fail. Okay. So what I plan to see is that now here got hammer, which is a temporary support for S1. I want to see pullback completes. Okay, which means we got one up bar with increasing volume. Okay, to ensure that someone is coming in, operator is coming in, here will be your support, and likely they will retest back to resistance. So it's a good area to focus for pullback completes, because this is the lowest area currently below hammer. Okay, currently hammer. Okay, so that's my opinion. Okay, not sure you're looking for entry exit. If you're entered already, I'm not sure where you entered. Okay, if you're hopefully not at the top here. Okay, because here will be, now is a deep pullback, you're losing over 10%. Okay, so if you're looking for entry, good area, but just that I will wait for pullback completes. Okay, to enter. Okay, so Joel said JHM. Okay, less than the JHM. Again, same. I think my comment is still the same. They need to close the gap. Okay, support wise, oh, okay, closing already lah, almost lah. Today lah, today touching lah. So this one probably similar like RG tag. Okay, I think the support is still there. Support is still good. Okay, support everything's still good because of the high volume. They are still hold well on the 40 MA. But just that sometimes got gaps. The situation a bit tricky a bit. Okay, because you're gonna hit, drop, hit, drop, hit, drop. You're gonna drag before they goes up. Okay, but since today touch already, let's see whether it can close or not. If let's say it can close, I think is good. There will be a continuation trend. Okay, so while against gaps is always an area that it will have certain so-called seller coming in one. Okay, sometimes it hits already. This one's still okay. Okay, if you look into those like big gap, like for example, previous like MYG they take years to cross. Those like Genting, until not still cannot cross the gaps. Okay, so yeah, this is what it means. So okay, now let's turn to MSM lah. So for Roseline, I will remain daily lah. Weekday actually, I don't think there's much changes. So we use daily. Okay, so again, continue at S1. Here will be your next support. Okay, I don't see any strength yet at the moment. Okay, based on daily chart here. So well, let's see how it goes until next week. At the moment, I don't see any changes. So for me, daily setups is not there. I think they are currently is weak right now. Okay, so now they are at this support level. Okay, capital A. Okay, oh yo, capital A is a break already. Okay, break a little bit with some low volume over here. So maybe next one will be 40 MA lah. Okay, next one will be watch out for 40 MA lah. Okay, because like I said, this resistance here, yeah, sometimes it's a bit tough lah. Especially your resistance come with some high volume one. Okay, sell with high volume lah. Sometimes it's a bit tough. Okay, need to do a shakeout or deeper pullback before they can cross. But overall, I think the drop with low volume, so still fine. Okay, probably just need to tahan sekejap. Okay, welcome Joel, welcome Roslan. Okay, if let's say there's no other stocks, probably we look into some of my pullback stocks here, if any. Okay, then we'll close our section here today. Okay, so data, I think just now we covered already. Closing the gap yesterday, good counters to continue to watch out. Okay, Sensoft, Vitrox, Ocean Cash. Ocean Cash. Ew, this one also cantik. Sensoft. But never mind, too many stocks. Probably I focus the one that I mentioned. SLP, TAG, UMC, CKD, FORPAC. I think this four also cukup already. Don't have much money. Okay, SKP resources continue goes up. Okay, again, like I say, for those that who are following, let's see whether they can cross our one to or not for today. The next, just now we call also cantik so no need to review further. Okay, MFLA now again, like I say, gaps drop already. Now see whether they can close back today. Can close back today the gaps. I think this one still got game. Okay, for MFLA. Okay, Mix Dynamic. Ooh, this one also doing a low volume pullback. Wow. Okay, this one also low volume pullbacks. Today macam ready. Okay, I'm gonna add into my list. Okay, Wix Dynamic. The other one is Kobe. Forgot to check Kobe. Later we check Kobe. Okay, Able Group. See, we spot few pullback counters already. Okay, so this one also good. Okay, this one also good. Haptic a bit tricky sometimes. Sideways here, sideways there. Never mind. Like I said, I always like to look for something that is easy to understand. When I look into it already, I know what they are doing. Okay, so I'm a lazy trader, in other words. Oh, GFM yesterday pullback completes. Okay, Japanese the pullback completes. Okay. So SAM Engineering, I think this one's a little bit pricey. 16 ringgit. Okay, nothing much. UMS, okay, probably last one, UMS before it close. This one not much volume. Never mind, I still prefer the 5 or 6 I have. Okay, Kobe, let's see Kobe. Kobe, I also want to check out. Okay, today SIP Tech UMC, sorry. CKD 4 pack weeks dynamic. Okay, Kobe today also not too bad also. So we got 6 counters, okay, to watch out for today. Okay. So again, with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this live Facebook sessions. Okay, so if you are new to XIFU, well, we are welcome to join my Telegram so that we can have continuation discussions, okay, throughout the day. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Today's Thursday, right? Yeah. Today Wednesday. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow section. Okay, Thursday.